Hey there, welcome to the channel. I'm Cindy Daychuck with Queen Bee Creations, and we are going to do just a cute, tiny little craft, because sometimes you don't need something big, you don't need something small, you just want to make a little something. And I think that these little bunnies are super cute, they're super fast, and they just work perfectly in any kind of little Easter basket you're doing, or a little bit of decor or whatever. So, yeah, I'm going to pull you in overhead and we're going to get started. All right, for this, we need some little wooden balls that have a hole in them, and some fine wire, and some nail polish, actually. So we're just gonna take the wire and we're gonna start off by making kind of a little heart shape. So I'm just sort of cheating a little bit to, make it with a little dowel. So there's my heart. Can you guys see that? There's my little heart. Move my hand. There we go. And I'm just going to wrap the wire around itself. There we go. I squished my wire a little bit. And do you have cutters on you? Yeah. All right, perfect. And I just want to leave a little bit of enough wire here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this wire up through my hole, and I just want to leave enough of my heart, because that's going to be, in essence, a little bunny's tail. And so I'm just bending that up, and I take some, well, let me get my other ball on just so that my glue doesn't all dry on me. And I'm going to take some hot glue and I'm just going to take my other ball down and kind of hold it in place a little bit just to dry, so that we've got the two of them stacked together. All right, now this part coming out the top, we're going to make our bunny ears. So you get to make them as long as you want. And again, I'm just using a dowel. You could use a pencil just to kind of get them roughly the same shape, although I think I want them a little bigger, because why not? And I'm just going to take my wire and I'm going to wrap it a couple of times around the base just to kind of hold that ear in place. And then I'll take my wire up beside the other one just so that they're roughly the same length. And I'm going to take that one down and wrap the wire around. And you can just cut off the excess. I need to have clippers that are a little better about getting closer. There we go. Perfect. And there's my two bunny ears. It doesn't show up against my black shirt. So there's my two bunny ears. There's my little heart. So what we're going to do next, I have a pink, let me do the softer pink. I have a pink nail polish, and I'm going to fill in my ears. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you've got a lot on there. Start from the base. This doesn't work every time. Yes, there we go. See that Holding, now I'm just going to kind of rotate it a little bit. You'll see the nail polish flow through the ear. I just want it to firm up before I attempt the other one so that I don't pop this. But the nail polish dries fairly quickly. But we're going to do exactly the same thing on the other ear. And then we're going to do the same with the red for the heart, for the little bottom. I just want to squeeze a little bit of the base of that ear. Once these are dry, you can bend those ears over if you'd like. So they become a little bit adjustable. Yes, there we go. Okay, so I just want to let my two bunny ears kind of dry before I do the heart. But then you can go and to the front, draw a little bunny face on them, whatever you'd like. But look how cute. All right, let me just, so I straighten out the heart to be able to get it done. But let me get the heart done and have this dry, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how I finish them off. But so sweet. All right, the heart was a little more challenging for me. So I put some nail polish on there, laid the tail down and slid it off slowly to be able to get the heart covered. I think it's just because my nail polish is old, but if you're having trouble like me, then give that a go. I'm just slowly moving this around to make sure that it doesn't move and create a weak spot that has it pop on me. But once it slows down, we'll be good to go. While I'm waiting for my heart to finish drying, and this is a little tense, you can draw a little face on here. So I'm just taking Sharpies and I'm just drawing kind of a heart shape for the nose. It does tend to bleed a little, so you could choose to do other, but I just find by the time that I have take my black pen and kind of outlined them a little bit. You can have a cute little face. Now, when this is dry, when the heart is fully dry, I will push it to the back. It doesn't necessarily stand up nice and even. So what I do is I take a dollop. Are you dry? Maybe almost. So then take a dollop of hot glue and I dab them down onto a silicone sheet. And I just hold them there so that that gives them a flat surface to be able to stand on. All right, here's our finished little bunny. And you can see that I bent his ears forward a little bit. He sits fine. What I ended up doing was I just put a dollop of the hot glue down on the mat, and then I pushed him into it and left him standing up there so that now he's got a nice stable base to be able to stand from. And, you know, I did a couple because I was having fun with it. So cute little faces, you can give them different expressions. You can certainly use whatever color nail polish that you have going, but you know what? I love the little heart-shaped butts. It made me smile. you could just do a little round ball. You could do whatever you would like, but I think that that kind of makes the back end. Let me know what you think of these ones. Definitely a small little project, something fun, something cute. The hearts were a little bit more challenging than doing the ears, but bear in mind, you could do a whole mess of these, wire them together, and then you have a flower. So take that idea and go in another direction with it. And that's what I love about crafting is you may never make the bunny, but maybe you end up making something with a lot of leaves and you're using some green nail polish. It exists. And doing something like that, or you take these hearts and you're using them all kinds of different sizes and putting them into a piece of driftwood and just making a whole, okay, see, my head's going. Take some of these ideas that you see and run with them. That's what it's all about more than anything else. Looking forward to your comments on this one. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. And until then, take care.